Okay, this is the original, over here to our right, our left, where the train bed is. But what happened was a tree grew into this huge, massive rock formation here and split it. And all this rock fell down into the original railroad bed. And so now it's pretty much impassable unless you want to do rock climbing. So we are actually up on the berm to the right of the old railroad bed. It's pretty amazing. Okay, we're looking at part of the trestle. This is the foundation, and the trestle went across this area. It took them 2 months to get across this section. It was 175 feet. It only took them 4 months to complete the whole line up to the top. So we're going to take you across and show you where that section went to. You can see the rock foundations below us. And if we come up over here, there's the other side of the trestle. The foundation, the other side of the foundation for the trestle. And it spanned this section 175 feet across.
That's pretty interesting. When was this built?
They built the train line to come up from Huntsville to the top in 1888. And it only ran 8 years to 1896. And then it was shut down. Before that, they had to get to the top by carriage. Yeah, horse and buggy. It took 2 hours. And this.
But it was so pretty in the fall, don't you think?
Oh, it's still amazing, but yeah. Okay, let's move on. So in Huntsville, Alabama, we have a state park. It's called Monte Sano State Park. It's just a few miles from downtown, located on top of Monte Sano Mountain. That state park was developed in the 1930s. It has about 2,100 acres and miles of hiking trails, 25, 30 miles of hiking trails. So The west side, which we're on now, was not part of the state park. And it's a very historic area. And in 1987, 547 acres on this side of the mountain was slated for development. In other words, there would have been houses all over the place here. But a group of visionaries and business leaders got together and they formed the Land Trust of North Alabama. And they bought 1,100 acres on this side, the west side of Monte Sano Mountain, and now it is Monte Sano Nature Preserve. Not part of the state park, but part of the Nature Preserve, with 25 miles plus of hiking trails and some very historic trails like we took you on today. We took you on the historic railroad bed trail that goes all the way up to the top of the mountain. Literally, we didn't go all the way up, but we went on part of it today just to give you a taste of what it's like. Monte Sano State Park, the Monte Sano Nature Preserve, and all the nature preserves that the Land Trust owns are hiking outdoor gems for anybody that wants to take advantage of them. Just minutes from downtown Huntsville. So we're glad you came with us today and we hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and one more thing I almost forgot. If you love the outdoors and you love hiking and love nature, consider becoming part of the Land Trust of North Alabama. A membership, I think, is $35 a year. And it's money well worth it because they take that money and they invest it in buying more land to set aside in the Madison County area, North Alabama area, so that we can get out and enjoy the great outdoors. So think about that.
When the sun is rising, your shadows fall behind. When all the weight you carry is weighing on your mind, I'll be there to show you all the things you're missing and everything we go through. I'll be by your side. So let's run away to faraway places, escape from this life we have known. Your eyes on new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home.